Hi, how's it going, everyone? My name is Josh Sato. I am the Cisco Collaboration Specialist for ScanSource and wanting to talk to you today about the Webex Desk Pro, which I have sitting behind me right here. So this is an all-in-one collaboration device. So what that really means is I can utilize this device as a standalone unit. I can make calls on it. I can go into meetings and I can do everything really that I would do inside a Webex meeting and from this actual device. Now, one thing that's great about this device is I can actually do a USB pass-through. So if I'm working from home like I am right now, and I want to utilize this as maybe a second monitor, I can have that pass-through that goes through my computer. And then if I actually have any touch capacity within that computer, I actually can pass that through to this device too, so I can use that touch capacity additionally. One great thing about this device too is even if I'm not connected to it, I still can wirelessly share it. It does give me a website to go out to. I plug in these numbers and I can wirelessly share to it. So if you're putting these any type of huddle spaces or maybe any kind of public-facing spaces where you want people to be able to connect to it, but maybe you don't want them actually connecting that physical device to it, they can do it wirelessly and be able to share with that device additionally. Now, one great thing about this too is you can actually do whiteboarding here. Now, from a telehealth type solution, this is a great piece, especially if you're meeting with any of your actual, clients, on that side of it, meeting with any type of doctors, or, maybe you want to throw up, an x-ray on here, and maybe you want to look through it and start annotating it, making some notes, and utilizing the Webex pen to be able to, do some circles or figure out, what those items are, would be able to annotate those whiteboards, in real time with either those patients that you have on the line or any type of doctors or any nurses or anything else that you're trying to get that message along to. So it's great for being able to whiteboard, collaborating in these kind of remote environments additionally. Now, one great thing about this device too is if you're on calls and let's say it's in a busy environment, maybe you're not working from home or it's not sitting from home or in an office, but maybe it's in a busier environment where you have nurses coming up to it all the time or doctors or whoever, but you actually have audio fencing as well. So if you have any sounds coming from the sides or even the back or anything else, it will not pick it up. It will pick up anything always coming from the front. And one great thing too is with the actual camera, if you can see right here, is it does have the best overview view. So if I am moving around a little bit, it will actually keep me in frame because it's picking up my facial recognition there as well. And additionally, one great thing to this as well is I can actually blur my background straight from here. So if I'm sitting in an environment, let's say, where I want to make sure that nobody's able to see, what's going on behind me or something like that, I can blur my background. It's going to do it automatically through the actual system and keep it very, intuitive there as well. So another great piece about this device is you do have the Webex Assistant that's built into it. So let's say you are putting it into one of those busy environments and you want people to be able to join it through that Webex Assistant. They can actually just say, hey, Webex, join my meeting. It'll actually join their meeting for them. So then you're creating this touchless environment. So you're not having to worry about multiple people touching the device and then having to wipe it down afterwards. So these are some high-level overviews of this actual device. It's a great all-in-one collaboration device, especially for your telehealth needs, because of those doctors are either working from home or maybe inside the office and they're meeting with these patients, virtually. It has the great ability to allow them to do any type of annotation, whiteboarding, sharing, but it's going to be that second kind of display device for them, and it gives them that extra 4K kind of real estate as well. So I hope you enjoyed this overview of the Webex Desk Pro. If you have any questions, please reach out to your ScanSource team. We'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you in the next one.